Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I got Big Bertha running here with my Mega Loop antenna. It's an amplified antenna. Too cold right now to go outside and try to set up that U-loop antenna, and plus it's dark. It's only 5:30 in the morning here in Clearwater, Florida, and it's about 55 degrees, which if it gets below 70, I'm cold. Anyway, so I can hear that signal, that beacon from St. Petersburg International Airport, which is about 15 miles from me, in this setup. Barely hear it. You probably couldn't hear it. I could hear it very faint. But anyway, right now, the solar flux index is 140. And that's not hertz, that's 140. And the A index is a little high, it's 11. The K index is 0. And so we're at a new high for cycle 25, which started, this high started yesterday, I believe. I think. What is today? I don't know even what day it is. Anyway, we're going to see what we can find on shortwave. So I'm going to go to short-wave.info and do a search on English broadcast on shortwave right now. And we're going to start, the first one I see here is, that's not the first one. I've already scrolled down. Gee whiz. Okay. WWCR out of Nashville. That's probably the preacher man. We should be able to get him pretty easy. 3215. And S meter jumps up. Yeah. 843. Loud and clear. 701-5053. Not very exciting. Okay, let's go down. The next one that I see that it's highlighted is Radio Milne Bay. I'll have to look that up where that is in a second. 3365. 3365. Noise. Okay, the next big one, according to shortwave-info, is WBCQ in Monticello, and it's probably the preacher man, 4790. And the S meter jumps up. Yep. Got to be somebody besides the preacher man on this morning. Mystery Radio 21. I doubt if I'll get that. 4870. Nope. WRMI, preacher man, 4980. Oh yeah. He's struggling. There he is. I mean, one thing good about the preacher man, he's a good reference point to see if your radio is working, if you're in the United States. Let's see what else. Let's try WWV on 5 megahertz. Yep. Let's just tune up a little bit from there. That's loud and clear. 5021. That must be close. Let me look it up. 5021. Maybe it's 20. Yeah, nothing there. So let's try plus or minus 5 kilohertz. And yeah. That's probably, oh hush, that's probably Radio Rebelled, which is in, let's see, where is that? It's cloud and clear, that's for sure. Oh, it's in Cuba. Yeah, that's probably what that is. Let's tune up some more. The disadvantage of using shortwave.info to find stations, if you're going to look across the whole band, you got to select a language. You can't say all languages. So I selected English, so that eliminates a lot of stations that are broadcasting in other than English. Now, what I can do, which I will do right now, is you can pick an international band. So let's pick 49 meter band, and it will show you everything that's on that 49 meter band. And oh my gosh, it's got hundreds of entries all over the world. So right now it's sorted in frequency, and we got WRMI on 5800. Okay, we can get that. Let's see if find something a little further away. Korea, Japan, HLL Seoul Meteorological Radio. 5858. Could it be? Whoa. What was that? It's gone. There was something there for a second. Maybe it was still stuck on the other frequency. See what else. China Radio on 5915. 5915. Something real weak. Let's try China Radio on 5965. What the heck is that? It's like sideband. Oh, there it is.
So for those of you that have been around that long, don't confuse it. This is ex ago rule, and
5932. That's got to be close by.
every time confess is being translated, they are not using homologia. What does this come to? What conclusion can we come to?
Let me look that up.
Translated the Septuagint from Hebrew into Greek. Jewish scholars. That means they knew something about this
Probably
word
is off.
and would not use it to translate the concept of confession of sins.
Yeah, nothing there, so let me go plus or minus 5.
I gave you an example of Leviticus 5:5. The same word will occur again in Leviticus
And that
16,
is probably
and also in, we can go down
World
to
Radio on 530. No.
if you're at home and you want to check
Oh,
it out and have no problem with
University
it, look at what I do.
Network
But if you have
on
scholars, you might look up
5935 out of Nashville,
many
Tennessee.
English words, and you'll look up
Yeah.
and you'll see the Hebrew word for it.
Nashville, Tennessee. No big deal. Let's go back. Go back. Okay, we'll go back to 31 meter listing. See whether there's strong signals that might be coming in. WEWN 5970. Oh yeah.
compañía de las hermanas lo hacemos todos los sábados y ya somos una gran familia.
Yeah, that's 5970. That's WEWN out of Van Diver. And it's, broadcasting in Spanish. Let's go on. Got to do better than that. HCJB 6050. 6050. Yeah. And let's see where that's from. It's close by. It's out of Ecuador, in that area. Pretty good signal. Okay, we don't need music. Okay, let's go back to my listing. I'm going to sort this listing by signal strength to my location. And it's way down here. So let's get something out of the United States. It's China radio. There's that 59, 15, 59, 55. 59, 55. 59, 55. Nope. Nothing there. Nothing. Of course, channel radio is all over the place, and it's at different locations. 6125. No. Voice of Korea 6170. No. Radio Taiwan 6180. Something there. Yeah. And they're broadcasting right now in Chinese. Right there on the edge. This has synchronous detect. Let's try it. So it's in synchronous detection upper sideband right now. No, I can't really hear anything. Here's something, not voice. I don't know what that is. Let's go back to AM. Not doing too good. I thought we would do a lot better with that solar flux index up. Okay, let's just try tuning. Again in the 49 meter band. Yeah, antenna connection is correct. Boy, this is disappointing. Let me get my hand around here. Something there. Okay, we're up to 7 megahertz. I think what I'll do, hold on once, well, I'll turn the volume down. Let's see, I think I've got my MFJ vertical here, and I can connect it to this switch of mine, antenna switch. Try to. Yep, can't quite reach it. There we go. Okay, that's connected. Now let's go to WWV. Turn the volume up. Okay, that's pretty clear. Now we're going to switch over to that other antenna. Yeah, not as good. Yeah, there's WWV. That Mega Loop is doing the job. Try 10 megahertz. It's probably a little early for that. Yeah, it's still there. Let's try the other antenna. No, I'm not sure what's going on with that antenna. It could be that 31-foot vertical has a problem. I haven't checked it in quite a while. Could have a bad connector, or a connector came off. Not doing it good at all. Usually it's kind of, on a par with the Mega Loop, maybe a little below, but the Mega Loop is blowing it away. Neither one are doing fantastic. Check my connections here. Yep, those are all good. Yeah, I'm there. Just really disappointing. Just wrong time of the day. I sure thought I could get something distant with his high solar flux index. But as usual for me this year, it's a miss. It's a bust. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. I'm going to keep trying. Let's see, it's now 5 minutes to 6. I'll keep trying, and if I start getting some strong signals, I'll do another recording. Otherwise, have a great day. Bye-bye.